He said, I didn't understand why we didn't get it.
Right.
So they don't have to tell Roy?
They don't have to do what now?
They don't have to tell Roy why?
Or explain like their reasoning.
Man, that's cold.
Bro, you know. They figured that Roy got away with some stuff a couple months ago. So they said,
Still.
you can't win all the time.
Still, come on, man. They probably said, you need to go sit down somewhere. Now, we done told you. Look, you know what?
You can't handle the truth.
I told you when I gave you your last pass, don't come back in here. Don't come in here asking me for nothing.
That's right. See, now you try me now.
Look,
you try me now. You try me.
As soon as the door, excuse me, Commissioner. Head Coach Williams, Roy Williams wants to speak to you. Who? Roy Williams. Okay. Something better be on fire. Something better be on fire. Okay, put him on. What's going on, Roy? Yeah, I just we've been hit by the hurricane. Yeah, I watched the news, Roy. Yeah, what else?
I'm not even anticipating.
Me in South Carolina was wondering.
So they wanted me to add.
If you can be so kind.
They told me to call.
If it won't be too much of an inconvenience.
Because we like to do like good stuff. We like to be good people. We good corporate citizens.
Corporate
citizens.
Yeah.
If we could kind of play a game, if we go to Michael's house and play a game,
and he's already good with it.
And Michael, and Mom said we cool. Mom said we can play. We can play at his house if
the ceiling is the roof.
If you let us.
In Charlotte too. Yeah.
Look, how far is that? We got to go to Charlotte. So now you want to leave. Now you want to leave the house. No, I already told you. Don't come in and ask me for nothing else.
Oh, my God.
Poor Roy Williams. Roy, you know better. You know better to go back in there and ask that man for nothing. UNC.
That's the first time I'm like, man, we done took care of you guys. Y'all straight. You going to come back and ask me for some more
You got to let South Carolina ask. You can't ask, Roy.